Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahadi English School. This video is for students of class 3, subject English. The thought for today: the best way to get something done is to begin. So, if you want to achieve something, what is the best way you can do? You have to start doing it. Unless you start, you cannot achieve that thing. So, the best way is to start. Stop thinking and start doing. These are the instructions that you have to listen to me carefully and follow the instructions every day. Be a good friend. Always be friendly with others. Then, don't yell. Speak softly. You should not shout. You should just speak softly. Then, be kind. See how this girl is saving a dog or a puppy from the rain. You should also be kind towards animals. Help others. If you see someone in trouble, any elderly person, you should help them. Cover your cough and sneeze. Keep a handkerchief with you. Raise your hand when you want to speak. Suppose you are sitting in the class, you want to ask something, or you are attending a lecture online, you should take permission before speaking. Say please and thank you. Use these two words, very important words, please and thank you. You should use them every day. Greet others. When you say good morning, good afternoon, how are you, that is called greeting. Then share. Share your food, share your things with others, so others will be happy. And be a good listener. You should listen to everyone attentively, always very attentively, like you are listening to me right now. Now, in today's video, we will continue with the poem Daddy's Making Dinner. In this poem, what are we going to continue? I will give you the summary of the chapter, and then we will read the notes of the chapter that are to be written in the fair book. So let's begin. So, in the previous video, we had started this poem Daddy's Making Dinner, and we had read about the poem. I will just tell you the summary of the poem, then we shall continue with the notes of the poem. The poem Daddy's Making Dinner is written by Jeff Mondak. In this poem, a little boy is describing his father making dinner. The poem starts with a description of the mess that his father makes in the kitchen and the burnt food that he cooks. The first two stanzas describe Daddy's poor cooking skills. In the third stanza, the boy surprises the reader by saying that he is not sad about the bad food or the mess. He finally reveals the reason for this in the last stanza. The dinner will go into the trash and Daddy will order pizza for him. Then we had read about the poet Jeff Mondak. Then we had done these warm-up exercises. Then we had read the poem. Let's read the poem once again and just revise it. Daddy's making dinner. I have seen it all before. French fries black and burning and meatloaf on the floor. Daddy's making dinner. The sugar bowl just broke. Fido ate the gravy. The house has filled with smoke. Daddy's making dinner, but I am not one to moan. Soon he will surrender and go pick up the phone. Daddy made the dinner. Today is my lucky day. Dinner is in the trash can and pizzas on the way. Written by Jeff Mondak. So this was the poem written in 4 stanzas. Let us read the notes of the poem. So these notes are to be written in rough book one time, as while watching the video you do not write in the fair book, you will write in the rough book. Daddy is making dinner. Notes means that are to be copied in the fair book later on. So do write in rough book one time, do read with me and understand each and every word. So as usual, what do we begin with? We begin with hard words. So give the heading HARDWORDS. Hard words. Give this heading above the margin on a new page. Write today's date, write the day, and then start with your work. It is a good habit to write date and day. Also, you should write the thought on the page if you can. Number 1. FRENCH FRIES French fries. FRENCH FRIES French fries. FRENCH FRIES French fries. So these are French fries. You might have eaten and they are very crunchy, very delicious. So Daddy was cooking French fries. In this poem, they were black and burning. He was not able to make it properly. So these are French fries. Number 2. BURNING burning. BURNING burning. BURNING burning. So we saw in the first stanza it was written French fries black and burning. The French fries were burning because Daddy heated the French fries for long time, and so they were black and they were burning. Then number 3. MEATLOAF meat loaf. MEATLOAF meat loaf. MEATLOAF meat loaf. So we have read in the poem, in the first stanza, meatloaf on the floor means meatloaf fell down on the floor. Then the next one, number 4, BOWL bowl. BOWL bowl. BOWL bowl. BOWL bowl. Next, BROKE broke. BROKE broke. BROKE broke. So what did break down? We read in the poem that sugar bowl broke. The sugar bowl just broke. Number 6. GRAY gravy. GRAY gravy. GRAY gravy. So who ate the gravy? Fido ate the gravy when the bowl fell down. Who ate the gravy? The dog. It is Fido. Fido ate the gravy. Then number 7. MOAN moan. MOAN moan. MOAN moan. Moan means to complain. The boy said that I will not moan. He would not moan, he would not complain about his daddy making dinner because he is sure that his daddy would order the food from a restaurant. Number 8. surrender, 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 surrender means to give up. The boy said that his daddy would soon surrender, means he would give up. He would stop making dinner and order the food from restaurant. Then next, number 9, Lucky, 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 lucky. So the boy said that today was his lucky day. He said, today is my lucky day, means he was very happy that daddy is ordering the food from restaurant. Number 10, TRASHCAN, trash can, TRASHCAN, trash can, TRASHCAN, trash can means dustbin. Trash can means dustbin. So the boy said that dinner will go in the trash can, means the dinner which daddy has cooked is going to be thrown away in the trash can. Then next topic we have that you will write on the new page. With the good handwriting you should write meanings. After hard words, let us read the meanings of some difficult words from the poem. MOAN, moan. Answer is COMPLAIN, complain. Moan, complain. Moan, complain. Moan, complain. Do learn the spelling. COMPLAIN, complain. Then number 2, SURRENDER, surrender. Answer is GIVEUP, give up. Surrender, give up. Surrender, give up means to stop doing something. He knew that daddy would surrender, daddy would give up, he would stop cooking. Then next, number 3, TRASHCAN, trash can. Answer is DUSTBIN, dustbin. DUSTBIN, dustbin. We also call it waste bin or trash can. So there are different names for dustbin. Trash can, dustbin, waste bin, all these are same. The boy knew that the dinner would be thrown away in the dustbin. Then give one word we have. Let's read the give one word. Only one we have over here. A baked meat dish. A baked meat dish. That is a non-veg food which is baked and eaten. What is that dish called? MEATLOAF, meatloaf. MEATLOAF, meatloaf. A baked meat dish, meatloaf. A baked meat dish, meatloaf. So, after writing given word, you have to write rhyming words on a different page. So, do write it on a new page. Number 1. Before floor, before floor, before floor. Spelling BEFORE, before. F-L-O-O-R, floor. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. F-L-O-O-R, floor. Number 2. B-R-O-K-E, broke. S-M-O-K-E, smoke. B-R-O-K-E, broke. S-M-O-K-E, smoke. Broke, smoke. Broke, smoke. Number 3. M-O-A-N, moan. P-H-O-N-E, phone. M-O-A-N, moan. P-H-O-N-E, phone. Moan, phone. Moan, phone. Then number 4. D-A-Y, day. W-A-Y, way. D-A-Y, W-A-Y, day, way. Day, way. So these are the rhyming words, the words which have the same sound. Then the next one topic is true or false. These true or false are also given in your textbook on page number 92. You can mark the answers over there also, as well as you have to write in the rough book one time. Let's read the questions from the poem that we have understood, and you have to infer and find out whether the sentences are true or false. Number 1. The speaker's father usually makes dinner. Is it true or false? Does the speaker's father, does he usually make dinner? Usually means, does he make the dinner every day? Means many times has he made the dinner? So the answer is true. The speaker's father usually makes dinner. It is true. The speaker's father usually makes dinner. True. Means he has made the dinner before also, and he makes dinner many times. Number 2. The French fries are all burnt. Are the French fries burnt? Yes, the answer is again true. In the stanza itself, stanza number 1, we have read French fries black and burning. So we know that French fries are all burnt. They could not be eaten, as Daddy has burnt them. Number 3. The meatloaf is in the oven. Is it true or false? It is false. Because we know that meatloaf is on the floor. The meatloaf is on the floor. It is not in the oven. It is on the floor. And then Fido ate the gravy. As the meatloaf fell down, Fido ate the gravy. Number 4. The house is filled with smoke. True or false? It is true. The house was really filled with smoke. It is true. The house was filled with smoke as Daddy was cooking and he overheated the stuff, so the clouds of smoke came out. Water vapor and the smoke fell, it just spread everywhere in the house. Number 5. The speaker is very sad. So the answer here is false. The speaker is not sad. He said in the last stanza that today is my lucky day. What did he say? Today is my lucky day. Means he was really happy. He was happy that he was going to eat pizzas for dinner. So it was his lucky day. So he is not sad. That's why the statement is false. The next we have questions and answers. Let us read the question answers and write it in the fair book. But before that, you have to write them in the rough book one time. Let's read. Which line in the poem suggests that this is not the first time the speaker's father has tried to cook? Which line in the poem shows that speaker's father has not cooked for the first time, means he has cooked for many times before also? Which is that line in the poem? So that line is, I have seen it all before. This line in the poem, I have seen it all before, it shows that speaker's father has cooked even before. It is not the first time that he is cooking. See, you can see the image over here. The father is cooking. He has burnt French fries by mistake. The boy is standing here. He is observing his father, what his father is doing. Fido, the dog, is standing over here and eating the gravy. Father is cooking, but by mistake he has overheated it and the smoke came out and the house was filled with smoke. The speaker or that boy is standing quietly and looking at his father who is cooking. So there is a line in the poem, I have seen it all before. It shows that father has cooked before also. Number 2. What was on the dinner menu? Dinner menu means which things were cooked in the dinner that day. How many things were there on the dinner menu? So the things were French fries, a meatloaf, and gravy. These things were there on the dinner menu. Which were the things? French fries, a meatloaf, and gravy. These were the things on the dinner menu. These are French fries. This is meatloaf. And here is the gravy. French fries, meatloaf, gravy. All these things were there on the dinner menu. Number 3. What, according to the speaker, does his father do when he fails in the kitchen? When speaker's father fails in the kitchen, when the father cannot cook proper food, what does his father do? So the speaker's father, what does he do? He picks up the phone and orders for the dinner. See, like this. He will pick up the phone. The speaker's father will pick up the phone and he will order the food from restaurant. So that is the answer over here. The speaker's father picks up the phone and orders for dinner. And we know what did he order. What did he order? He ordered pizzas for dinner. And so it was a lucky day for the speaker, for that child. That is what he said. Next, number 4. Is the speaker happy that his father could not make dinner? Was he happy that his father was not able to make dinner? Or was he sad? Yes, the speaker is happy that his father could not make dinner. The speaker is happy. So your answer is yes. Just this much is the answer. Yes, his father did not make the dinner, was not able to cook the dinner, and so the speaker means this boy was happy. Number 5. What did the family finally have for dinner? What did they finally eat? Means the speaker's father was not able to cook the dinner. So what did they eat? The family finally had pizza for dinner. The family finally had pizza for dinner. So your main answer is pizza. 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 They finally had pizza for dinner. The next topic we have make sentences, MS. You have to make the sentences with the words that are given. Number 1, MOAN, moan. My parents moan at me if I am home late. So, moan means complain. They complain, why are you late? Because parents are worried about us. They are our well wishers. So, here is the sentence, my parents moan at me, means they complain, why are you late? Moan means complain. Number 2, SMOKE, smoke. SMOKE, smoke. The house has filled with smoke. See, the whole house, the entire house has filled with smoke because of the overheating of the things in the kitchen. Sometimes the smoke spreads in the house. Number 3, SURRENDER, surrender. SURRENDER, surrender. The terrorists were given 10 minutes to surrender. The terrorists, those who were doing wrong things, were given just 10 minutes to surrender to the police. They had to give up. Surrender means to give up. Next, number 4, trash can, that is dustbin. So she threw the banana peel into the trash can. She threw the banana peel into the trash can. The banana peel is something which is the outer part of the banana, which you have to throw it away while eating. So she threw the trash can. She threw the banana peel into the trash can, which was not eatable. So she threw it into the trash can. Let us read the poem and understand the poem once again. Daddy is making dinner. I have seen it all before. So the boy says that his daddy is making dinner and he has seen before also that his daddy is making dinner. French fries black and burning. So he sees that his daddy has prepared French fries. His daddy has cooked French fries, but they are black and they are burning, and meat loaf is lying on the floor. Daddy is making dinner. The sugar bowl just broke. So what did break? Sugar bowl broke down. Fido ate the gravy. Fido is the dog. He ate the gravy from that bowl. And the house was filled with smoke. See, as daddy was making dinner, the house was filled with smoke. Daddy is making dinner, but I am not one to moan. Soon he will surrender and go pick up the phone. So, the speaker is sure that his daddy will surrender. He will not prepare the food on his own. He will order the food from a phone from a restaurant. He will soon give up and he will not cook the food anymore. Daddy made the dinner. Today is my lucky day. Dinner is in the trash can and pizza is on the way. So what did he say in the last stanza? That daddy has made the dinner. But he says that today is my lucky day. So he is very happy. Why was it lucky day? Because the dinner that daddy made, that dinner was thrown away in the trash can, in the dustbin. And daddy picked up the phone and he ordered the food. What did he order? He ordered pizzas for them. So they are going to eat pizzas for the dinner. And so he says that today is my lucky day. So that is the poem which we read. What is the name? Daddy is making dinner. We read the notes and we also revised the poem. So You have to complete in rough book one time, and I will send the PDF. You have to write it in fair book one time. Thank you. Have a nice day.